Your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
It's dry and mild here, but I do have an Alberta clipper off to our northwest, and its cold front is now swinging through parts of Iowa and southeast Nebraska. And as the front approaches during the overnight hours, some of this Gulf moisture, albeit rather minuscule, will begin to move north and kind of glide up and over some of this cold snowpack as our front approaches. And that basically means at least a little bit of light freezing drizzle and a little bit of light misty freezing rain during the overnight hours tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Doesn't look like a big deal, but I wouldn't be surprised if there are a few slick spots on some of the roads tomorrow morning. And then over the weekend, our low, which is spinning out here near El Paso, Texas, and all of its rain down here in Texas will move through the southeast, but thankfully this weather system still looks like it will stay south of our viewing area. The main focus for tonight is on that clipper and a little bit of that Gulf moisture gliding up and over the cold snowpack, producing a little bit of very light freezing drizzle and light misty freezing rain tonight. Even a little bit of fog developing later on tonight as well. And again, watch for some slick spots in the morning. Wet and warm, though, as we get into next week. In fact, after a pretty dry weekend with gradually warming temperatures, we'll be well into the 50s with quite a lot of rain next week. And then it's, again, back to the deep freeze as we start February. Now let's go to Futurecast tonight, though. Notice some of these greens. That's a little bit of very light freezing rain, freezing drizzle moving through overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. And Futurecast trying to indicate a little light snow. This will not be light snow. This will just be a little bit of light freezing rain. Mostly cloudy skies tomorrow before the clouds clear out tomorrow night. And after a little bit of fog later tonight, I think tomorrow night as the clouds clear and the winds go calm, we could see some dense fog in places tomorrow night. Now, lows tonight will be in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees, 32 at Crawfordsville, though, and 27 at Winamac, and highs tomorrow after some of that light freezing rain and drizzle and a little fog in the morning. Mostly cloudy, highs low 30s north to upper 30s down in our southern counties. So a little bit of light freezing rain drizzle tonight and some areas of fog down to 30 degrees. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy, high of 37, and then not bad over the weekend, about 40 to 45 with quite a few clouds with a little bit of sunshine. But every night, pretty much Saturday night and Sunday night, Jeff, there'll be some areas of dense freezing fog and then warmer in the low 50s by late next week, and the rains will get going. In fact, several days of rainfall is likely, and I think at the very least, a little